In emergencies, every second matters. But now, every choice matters too, for both people and the planet. Meet the JX-60 Water Rescue Drone. A fully electric, zero-emission rescue tool. Built to respond fast and responsibly. Powered by clean energy. This drone reaches victims in under a minute. Delivering flotation support without harming sensitive marine ecosystems. No fuel. Just pure rescue performance when and where it counts. Crafted from corrosion-resistant materials. The JX-6A is lightweight, reusable, and reparable, making it a smart choice for both rescue missions and ESG compliance. Designed for fire departments, coastal patrol, and disaster response units worldwide. It's a lifeline that reflects your commitment to sustainability. Save lives. Protect nature. The JX-6A, rescue with purpose.